want it to be. All right? Because here's what happened. Now I can't mess with this too much because the alkalinity hasn't done it, so my pH is all kind of wonky. All right? But what ends up happening is the fact that once you've got the alkalinity right, the pH is where it's supposed to be. You come back in here, and let's say it says 800. All right? Well, I take my water test. If my part per million is, let's say, 1 part per million at 800, then I would go ahead and tell the system, no, I don't want you to be at 800. I want you to be at 825, 835. It will then go ahead and start feeding chlorine. Once it's 835, okay, you test again. If you've got the 2 parts per million, that's a good set point for you. Okay? So like today, when we came in, granted the alkalinity was off, you were at 815. All I would have done is told the system to move it to 825. It would have fed in more chlorine to get you where you want it to be. But you've got to get the alkalinity and the pH to stabilize first, then you can worry about the chlorine.
And then,
You know what he's saying, like John, our board member, he worries a lot about the free chlorine.
And once again, that's where we have to wait until he comes down.
and you're gonna do a
And
training.
we'll do a training with him. And the fact is there's nothing wrong with the free chlorine.
Because right now he just sent me an email saying that the free chlorine should be between 1 and 4.
Right, and
So
he's
it's
correct.
that.
He's correct. We had, and once again, the sensor was working correctly. Okay, it's not that it wasn't. It's just the fact that no one had actually been an operator to go do it. And what he's got to do is rely on, or to get confident in the people, that we're not going to let people in the pool until the system is correct.
Yeah.
Okay? And unfortunately, you're going to get some fluctuation when you get a large amount of fresh water, like all the rain, and some other things that happen until he gets things worked out. And all your response should be, the pool guy's aware of it, he's dealing with it. And that's all you can do. Because right now, I guarantee he's not seeing what he's seeing. Okay, granted, we still don't have enough chlorine, but
Question, once the alkalinity and the pH is all set, and he, like you were saying, to bring it from like 815 to 825, would our sensor go off for the chlorine low?
the chlorine sensor is not so much go off, it'll take it off alarm.
Right,
because-
okay,
yeah,
that's what I was saying. Okay, got it.
because we have the alarm, I think, at 1.
Okay,
Okay, so it's, and I can
because it's
adjust.
too low, right?
Or
Because we
no, it
need
should
it
be at
between.
0.8. I think it's at 0.8.
Okay.